Hi everyone. As we prepare to celebrate the season of Advent and Christmas in our homes, I invite you to create your own Advent wreath to place on your table where you have a meal or in your entranceway. All you need is a platter or tray or bowl of some kind. 5 candles. Those might be candles you light with matches or LED candles. And some greenery. To make your Advent wreath, you will need to make 3 candles blue and 1 candle pink, using what you have around your home. For my candles, I've used ribbon. Then you place them on the tray. 1 blue, the second blue, the third is pink, the fourth is blue, and the 5th is a white candle for the middle. You may wish to add some water to your tray to keep the live greenery fresh, or you may wish to use artificial greenery and decoration. You take the greenery that you have and you weave it around the candles, adding this beautiful smell and beauty that we can find outdoors and enjoy inside during the season. Then, if you wish, you can add some decorations around your wreath. That is completely up to you. And finally, if you have a nativity nearby, you may wish to open that up and add that close to your wreath as a reminder of the story that we journey through this season. Week by week throughout Advent, we light 1 candle. The first Sunday is hope. The second Sunday is peace. The third and pink Sunday is joy. And our 4th Sunday is love. On Christmas Day, you light the 5th candle in the middle to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. May God bless you this Christmas season and in the Advent days leading up to it.